Today, we're going to dig into how you can easily grow your very own herbs.
Let's just challenge that idea right now, because you'd be surprised what's possible.
Okay, let's get into it. Herbs are about so much more than just cooking.
They add color, incredible aromas, turning any space into a garden for your senses. And here's the best part. You don't even need a traditional garden plot. Let's look.
Herbs are happy right next to veggies, or just grouped together in pots on a patio.
You can get really creative with formal designs, or even grow your garden up a wall.
Feeling inspired? Getting started is way easier than you think. Let's break it down.
Seriously, a little bit of prep work up front makes all the difference later on.
It really just boils down to 3 key steps: plan, prepare, and plant. Easy.
First up, planning. Think about which herbs you want and how much sunlight they'll need.
Next, it's all about the soil. Giving it a little boost helps your herbs really flourish.
And it's super simple. Just add some compost for structure or sand for drainage.
Okay, hold on. Before we go any further, we need to cover a really important safety tip.
And this is critical. A lot of herbs are just for looks, not for your plate.
So, rule number 1, never eat an herb unless you are 100% sure what it is.
And definitely don't play doctor. Always talk to a professional before using any medicinal herbs.
All right, with that out of the way, let's get back to the fun part, your garden.
So what's it going to be? A garden for cooking, for amazing smells, or just for its beauty?
And remember, this whole adventure can start with just one single pot. That's it.
So now it's your turn. We hope this has inspired you to get out there and grow.